Bes, may nagtanong, safe ba ang Transino White C-Clear sa kidney? Very concerned yan, lalo na kung health conscious ka or may kidney history. Ang Transino White C-Clear may vitamin C, L-cysteine, vitamin B6, B2, at vitamin E. Lahat yan commonly found din sa food supplements. So wala siyang known harmful ingredients para sa kidneys. As long as iniinom mo siya ng tamang dosage at wala kang existing kidney condition. Pero syempre, kung may like chronic kidney disease or undergoing dialysis, mas safe pa rin mag-consult kay doc. Safe siya for healthy individuals, lalo na kung gusto mo lang pumuti, mawala yung dark spots at maging glowing. Pero tandaan, hindi siya magic pill ha. Kailangan pa rin siya ng water, tulog, and of course, skincare. Pang-level up yung glow, hindi ng risk. Add to cart mo na sa Yellow Basket yung link, pero kung may health issues ka, check mo muna kay doc.